Good morning students. Today we will study again chapter 4 fractions part 2nd. In early class we study types of fractions. What are the types of fractions? Proper fraction, improper fraction, like fraction, unlike fraction, then mixed fraction. Today we will study comparison of fractions. What? Comparison of fractions. First, when the denominators are same. When the denominators are same. For example, 3 upon 15 and 7 upon 15. Here, denominators are same. Here the denominators are same. Which fraction is greater? The numerator greater the numerator is greater fraction. Which is greater? Greater the denominator is greater. Understand? When the denominators are same, greater the numerator is greater. Here which fraction is greater? 7 upon 15. Understand? Again 8 upon 20 and 3 upon 20. Which is greater? Which is greater? 8 upon 20. Understand? All students? Then when the numerators are same, which numerators are same, smaller the denominator is greater. When the numerators are same, smaller the denominator is greater. When the numerators are same, smaller the denominator is greater. Here 5 upon 17 and 5 upon 8. Which is greater? 5 upon 8. When the denominator is smaller is greater fraction. Here this fraction is greater. Next 7 upon 8 and 7 upon 3. Next, here the numerators are same. Here the numerators are same. Which fraction is greater here? 7 upon 3. 7 upon 3 is greater. Understand? Next, when the numerator and denominators are different. When the numerator and denominators are different. When the numerator and denominators are different. Here 3 by 7, 2 by 5. Numerators are 3 and 2. Here 7 and 5. Here numerators are different. Then denominators are also different. How to compare this fraction? How to compare this fraction? First you cross multiply. First you cross multiply. Listen. Then this is the cross multiply. First numerator and second denominator. Then first denominator and second numerator. How to compare you? First cross multiply, that is 3 multiply 5, then 2 multiply 7. You understand? Again cross when the numerators and denominators are different. How to compare you? Cross multiply. How to cross multiply? first numerator and second denominator, then first denominator and second numerator, then multiply this. 3 5 ja 15, then 2 7 ja 14. Here 15 come, here 14 come. Which is greater? 15 is greater, 14 is greater. Which is greater? 15 is greater. Therefore, this fraction is greater. This fraction is greater, that is 3 by 7 and 2 by 5. Which is greater? 3 by 7 is greater. Understand? Then again one more example. 2 upon 3 and 3 upon 4. Here, when the numerators are different, here denominators are also different. How to compare you? First, what do you do? Cross multiply this. Cross multiply. Then, to first numerator and second denominator. 2 4 ja here, 3 3 ja. Okay. 2 4 ja 8, here 9. Which is greater? 8 or 9 is greater? 9 is greater. That is, which fraction is greater? Which is greater? 3 by 4 is greater. Understand? Then, equivalent fraction. This is not in our book. This is you already learned in 4th class. Now, again we study in this class. Okay? Equivalent fraction. We get an equivalent fraction. To form an equivalent fraction, we multiply numerator and denominator by common number, common same table or common number. We, to form an equivalent fraction, we multiply by numerator and denominator by same number. Here 1 by 3, right? The equivalent fraction of next equivalent fraction 2 by 2. Here I multiply by 2 by 2, same number. Then next equivalent fraction 1 2 ja 2, 3 2 ja 6. Understand? Question, write 5 equivalent fractions of 3 by 7. Question again read. Write 5 equivalent fraction of 3 by 7. We get an equivalent fraction. We multiply by numerator and denominator by same number. First, 3 by 7. Here write we. 3 by 7. We multiply by 1 by 1. This is also in our fraction. Then you start with 2. Multiply by 2. Then 3 by 7. Multiply 3 by 3. 3 by 7. Multiply 4 by 4. Then 3 by 7. multiply 5 by 5, then 3 by 7 multiply 6 by 6. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the multiply this. 3 2 just 6, 14, then 9, 21, then 12, 28, then 15, 35, then 18, 42. Then the final answer, the equivalent fractions are, the equivalent fractions are 6 by 14, then 9 by 27, 21, then 12 by 28, then 15 by 35 and 18 by 42. Understand you? Then next, again one more example. Write first 4 equivalent fractions of 7 by 9. Question, write first 4 equivalent fractions of 7 by 9. First 7 by 9 multiply, we start with 2, okay. 2 by 2, then 7 by 9 multiply 3 by 3, then 7 by 9 multiply 4 by 4, then 7 by 9 multiply 5 by 5, 1 2 3 4, okay. Then multiply this. Then 35 upon 45. Then you write the equivalent fractions are 14 by 18, 21 by 27, 28 by 36, then 35 by 45. Then to form an equivalent fraction, this is the greater, this here, look here. To form an equivalent fraction, we multiply by numerator and denominator by same number, or we divide by numerator and denominator by same number, okay. Listen here, 7 by 21, here 1, then here blank. Here first you, how many times gone in 7? 7, how many times gone here? The smaller we get a smaller fraction, we divide. We get a greater fraction, larger fraction, we multiply. Here we divide by 7. Here also divide by 7. We get here 3. What is our fraction? 1 by 3. Okay. Then I give some questions for homework. This is not in your book. You do these questions, homework. First, compare the fraction. Then next question, write second question, write first 5 equivalent fraction, equivalent fraction of 2/7 of first A 2/7, then B 7/15. Okay, you do this work. Thank you.